Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar kabira, walhamdulillahi kathira, wa subhanallahi bukratan wa asila. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. These are the takbirat for the Eid. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Allah gave us life to finish Ramadan. May Allah accept from all of us. Eid Mubarak to all of you. May Allah bless you, bless your family. May Allah accept from all of us. Ya Rabbi Ameen. Everything we did. May He forgive all our shortcomings. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make this Eid not the last one. Ya Rabbi Ameen. More and more and more Ramadan. And we are in a better shape and in a better relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As we are making dua, and we have been making dua throughout this whole month, and especially the last night, don't forget our brothers and sisters in Gaza. Don't forget them in your dua. Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that Allah makes life for them easy. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all their sacrifices. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept those who died as martyrs. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for those who lost members of their family. May Allah reward them abundantly. Don't forget them. And it is not only the people of Gaza, rather we have to not forget all our brothers and sisters, all the Muslims all over the world, everywhere where they are suffering, where they are in need, where they are not in the best conditions. We all need to not forget, as we as Muslims are brothers and sisters. And Muslim akhul Muslim, the Muslim is the brother of the Muslim. Don't forget them in your dua, and make the dua sincere, comes from your heart, as if they are your family. All the Muslims in the world, may Allah lift all the sufferings. And also don't forget those who you would love to see them closer to Allah. Allahumma rudda al-muslimina ila dinika maraddan jamila. Ya Allah, bring back all the Muslims to your deen, to your religion, to your closeness in a beautiful way. Ya Rabbi Ameen. Enjoy your time with your family in the way that pleases Allah, and ask Him to accept from all of us. Eid Mubarak.